Good morning. I have one of my favorite smoothies here, and I just wanted to let you know what's in here. I've got bananas, I've got dates, and I have carob powder. If you've never had carob powder or carob pods, you need to try them sometime. They are so good. They're highly nutritious. A lot of minerals, and this is a great substitute for chocolate because, you know, I grew up, my mother loved chocolate, and I think when I was in the womb, every time she ate chocolate, I must have, you know, wow, that's fantastic. But there are some negative side effects with chocolate. It's got caffeine, and caffeine is known to cause water depletion. It depletes the body of calcium, potassium, the B vitamins, whereas carob actually is highly nutritious. It contains minerals such as calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, the B vitamins, and it has no unwanted side effects. And, you know, carob today, I mean, they grow on the island of Cyprus. They grow about 30 to 40,000 tons of carob every year. And it's used mainly to feed horses, cattle, and pigs. And you may remember the illustration in the Bible of the prodigal son. He went away and he squandered all his money and everything, and he had no money. He was starving, and he desired to eat the carob pods that the pigs were eating. He saw those pigs eating those carob pods, and he said, man, those pigs are having a good time. They are loving that stuff. And it is such a good food. It's so tasty, carob. So my wife has been ordering this from this place here, Azure Market. Their website is azurestandard.com, azurestandard.com. And it's raw carob powder. So it hasn't been roasted or toasted or anything. It's really good. So check out carob. You know, the bottom line is, will I ever eat chocolate again? Yeah, probably. I will, because it has such a strong pull for me to go back to. Sometimes, every blue moon, I have some chocolate. Now, the bottom line is, though, I try to minimize it. Minimize going for chocolate. Instead, go for this because it's just as tasty. Once you get used to it, you know, it's different, but it's got its own nice taste, really nice. And that way I minimize my use of chocolate, and this is healthier stuff. So it's like anything, you know, like, do I think garlic is good for you every day? Not really. Garlic is a very harsh, strong food, and it's not a natural food. You can't pick up a clove of garlic and start, this tastes delicious. No, no, it doesn't. It'd be burning your mouth, you know. So, but do I ever have garlic? Yeah, occasionally I'll have garlic in something. But the point is, minimize the spices and the little things like the chocolate that will, if you use them too much, they're going to have a negative effect on your health. So all the best, guys. Just wanted to touch base and talk about one of my favorite smoothies. I'm going to devour this now. I've got 5 bananas in there, 3 dates, and I got a couple of, I think it was teaspoons or maybe a tablespoon and a half of raw organic carob powder. All the best. Fruit up as often as possible. The more you're eating fruit, the healthier you're going to be. Take care.